Today I'm going to go over the process for swapping out a cabin air filter in a Toyota FJ Cruiser. This is an incredibly easy installation to do yourself, even if you're not mechanically inclined. It'll take you less than 5 minutes and save you a lot over dealership rates. Now you will need an air filter. For today's video, I've got a Fram air filter, part number CF9846A. I'll put a link to it in the description below. You can also go down to your local auto parts store and tell them that you've got an FJ Cruiser and they can look up a different part for you. Or even if you go to like a Walmart, in the auto parts section, they've got a little book that you can look through and you can look up what filters work for the FJ Cruiser. So we're gonna come over to the passenger side here and open up the glove box, take everything out that's inside, and then you'll see we've got this little mechanism on the right hand side with these two ends. We're just gonna squeeze those together and pop this little lever arm off, and then push in on both sides of the glove box to drop it down. Back behind the glove box here, you'll see you've got this little plastic cover here. We're just gonna pull this out, and we have access to our old filter, which is quite dirty. Prior owner parked it outside, and obviously we've got some bugs and a lot of leaves in there. All right, so next we're gonna take out the old filter and put the new one into this little plastic tray. So we just push it out from the back side. So I've got the tray empty, and then we will insert the new filter. You'll see side by side, they look pretty much the same. Not gonna see much variance between manufacturers here. So we'll take the new one and put it in with the filter facing out, so kind of the flat portion rests on the back. So we're just gonna pop it in here. We've got some little plastic tabs on the outside. We'll just wanna make sure that we press the filter so that it's behind those. And once it's in there, we're ready to reinstall into the vehicle. Not surprisingly, installation's basically the same. So we're just gonna take this tray and insert it. We've got those two little clips on the outside, so we'll just push in on. Then we will push in on both sides of the glove box here, and then come around to this side here, bring this little arm down, and just pop it back onto that little bottom bracket. So as you can see, super easy to do yourself. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below. For more FJ Cruiser videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.